we got ourselves some, I mean, it's not an assault bike, but it's a fan bike, just like the ones in the gym. Except for I wasn't about to spend $700 on that.
Yeah, we got it from Target, guys. That was a good price. I don't remember the original
It was
price.
like a couple hundo.
I should check, but we got it for cheap. It was like $130. Well, it's because I have Target like discount, so I got it on a good price. But if not, it would have been. Let me check that.
Not expensive. They couldn't have freaking wrapped this thing much more, bro. Holy crap.
Original is just $150, so still not bad. Not bad.
Not bad at all. It's affordable. We'll see how well it works. I mean, it's for cardio. I don't need it to be too powerful. I just need it to be some resistance. That's it. And I'll be happy. So I feel like I'll get to the next level since I am now going to, since I did this, basically. No alcohol, no nada. This is like harder than my work equipment to get out of this packaging. Shit's lit. Ooh, I almost just stabbed myself in the damn stomach. And, oh yeah, can you grab me one more razor knife to leave up here? And I wanted to climb too, which was really important to me. That's why we came to New England to work, because I wanted to climb. You can't climb in California. But my point is that this right here, the gym, fitness, this is what we really love, like both of us, right? So why the heck wouldn't we build ourselves a fitness empire instead of, you know, my girl going and getting another job? Because she doesn't work. She works for me. She works for us. I have her working on YouTube and working on things to make it to where I don't gotta work forever, bro. I'm not trying to work for someone else for the rest of my life. We both love making content. We both love fitness. And if you keep on pushing, and you know, the thing that we love can make us money. It's not like it's some unrealistic thing like, oh, I want to be a rapper or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're both fit. We both seriously know our stuff when it comes to fitness. Like, we're books. And we both have this drive and this hunger inside of us which is really the most important part, I think, that we don't have that give up. Neither of us. My girl too. I never thought that I would find a girl. I'm not trying to sound sexist or whatever, but like, I've never met a girl that was driven, that actually like wanted to push. Like, I was always around like people that didn't want to do anything for themselves and wanted people to hand it over for them. And this girl, since I've gotten with her, has grinded right next to me like a savage. So it's, why not make it to where we do this for a living? You guys are helping that happen just by watching our content. And it's not that I don't want to work, because I do want to work. I just want to work for us. And another thing that I will not stop until I get is financial freedom for me and my family. I grew up rough. I grew up broke as hell. My family never had money. I was taught very, very, very bad money habits. And I'm just breaking myself out of them. So it's only up from here, baby. I'm proud of both of us. And we are going to make our fitness empire. There's people that are like fitness entrepreneurs that are on these websites like YouTube and stuff. They're not even fit, bro. And they don't even know what they're doing. You know what I mean? Like, we're going to be for real about this stuff, and we're going to be starting a website soon to start training you guys one-on-one, or you can buy our workout plans. Once we get back to the gym, you guys will really see like how we get down. We get down. If you're not taking care of the family and you're a man, then you need to get your shit together. You need to look yourself in the mirror, and you need to fix whatever you got going on. And that's on some real shit. If you're not getting up every day and you've got people that depend on you, then you need to step up, man. That's it. Simple as that. Let's go, bro. It's just the same as an assault bike, but $500 cheaper, homie. And I can sit lower or higher to adjust it. I can make the resistance more and more. Oh, yeah, boy. This thing's gonna get me freaking jacked. And the cardio is gonna be on a whole nother level now.
You look shredded, babe.
So yeah, we are.
Is this on the lowest?
No.
Oh, okay.
Turn it down. It was damn near the highest.
Is it stopping that thing?
No. I mean, it will stop you at the very lightest.
Ooh, wow. This is gonna be a game changer.
Game changer.
Bro, this is insane.
Game changer. It's a little smaller, whatever, but what do we, like, our gym is in a little tiny area, so.
It's a tiny studio.
This is cool. This is real cool. Good job.
I love it, Dave. Good job building it. Let's see
Yes.
what it's like when you turn
Pop
it
off so I can, it's not on, we need batteries.
Oh, okay. Batteries? Oh,
Yeah,
that sucks.
AA batteries.
Oh, you don't really need them.
This is finished. Finished product, guys.
Good job, babe. Built it.
I think it came out pretty cool. I'm gonna put a couple batteries in it and see how that works, but that's it.